Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Fiesta thermostat. First, gather your essential tools: a wrench set, a new thermostat, and fresh coolant. It's crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool before you start, as working with a hot engine can be dangerous. Next, locate the thermostat housing, which is typically found on the engine block, often near the upper radiator hose connection. Now, place a suitable drain pan directly under your radiator to collect the old coolant. Carefully open the radiator drain plug, allowing the coolant to completely empty from the system. Once the coolant is drained, you can proceed to disconnect the hoses that are attached to the thermostat housing. Be prepared for some residual coolant to spill. With the hoses disconnected, unbolt the thermostat housing from the engine block. There are usually 2 or 3 bolts holding it in place. Once unbolted, carefully remove the housing, then extract the old thermostat and its gasket. Now, install your new thermostat, making sure the spring side faces into the engine, and use a fresh gasket for a proper seal. Now, reattach all the hoses you disconnected and securely tighten the thermostat housing bolts. Next, refill your cooling system with the correct type of coolant slowly to avoid air pockets. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Finally, bleed any trapped air from the system and thoroughly check for any leaks around the new thermostat housing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.